In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the language on TikTok. Changing the language can help you navigate the app more easily if you prefer a different language than the default one. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. And then tap Settings and Privacy. What you want to do next is scroll down a bit and tap Language. And then tap App Language. Now you have the ability to select your default app language. Just scroll down this list of available languages, tap, and select your desired language. And then tap Done to save changes. This is exactly how you can change the language on TikTok. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.